Hello, my friends. I am in a hurry because guess what? It is bundle time. What does bundle time mean? That means for a limited time until sold out, we have, or 24 hours, we have a bundle on our website for the brand new items, not the club items, the brand new items that are on flash sale. But with the bundle, you get an extra 5% off. Who doesn't like to save money, right? I mean, everyone loves to save money. Let's jump in really quick. I'm going to show them to you because you've got to go to the website right now. So here we go. We have a cute little extra set to coordinate with our club set. This one is different than our club set because we want to have extra bases options. Then, of course, there's dies that match with fun stitching on the dies, which I love. Then there's solid stamps to stamp in your vases and in your picture. And an awesomely amazing flip it card. You are going to love it. It is so darn intricate on the side. You're going to love it. And if you buy the bundle, guess what, my friends? Not only do you save 5%, you're getting a stencil for free. Can you believe it? I know. So they sent me the pricing for this bundle, and I'm like, you know what? I want to do something a little different this month. I want to give them, if they buy the bundle, they get the stencil for free. And they save 5%, and they're getting the flash sale prices, and they're getting the club discount. I'm literally begging you to be my friend. It's true. It's true. I'm giving you this stencil for free because my club members are the best in the world. I love all my lifers, and I want you to have a goodie. So go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, get the bundle and your free stencil, and I will see you again soon. Bye-bye. so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.